Hello everyone. So let us continue with our discussion. And in the last two parts, first one was about understanding the big data, and second one was understanding the field of data science. Clear? Now we are coming towards the different processes of or tools and techniques to actually analyze this data. Clear? So we are going to understand about the artificial intelligence, neural networks, and machine learning kind of stuff. Okay, so give the heading artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'll specifically call it as AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Clear? Now you can think this artificial intelligence as a robot and who can do the task normally just like the human brain, like it can understand the human speech and he can make the decision. Clear? And machine learning is a part of AI. Machine learning is a part of the AI where robot learns from the data to get better at their task, just like a child learn how to ride a bike. The more they practice, the better they get. Clear? So what is the bigger picture? Artificial intelligence is the bigger picture. Artificial intelligence is a robot. Now this robot learns things. He learns with the help of the technique called machine learning. Clear? So machine learning is a part of AI where the robots are learning the data to get better at their task, just like the child learns how to ride a bicycle. The more they practice, the better they get. Clear? Now I'll give you one example and you will understand it very well. Like there are pictures, there are five pictures, there are five animals. Okay, we have dog, we have cat, we have rat, we have bat, and we have elephant. Clear? But you need to identify, but out of these five pictures we have cat. Now the robot need to identify that among these five which one is the cat. Clear? So this is your robot who can look at all those photos and the robot can tell that okay, this is not the cat, this is also not the cat, this is not the cat, this is not the cat, but yes, third one is the cat. Clear? So how will I do that? First of all, I need to tell my robot that okay, cat looks like this, cat looks like this. Clear? So what I'll do, first of all, I'll collect the data. First of all, I will collect all the data. Okay, data means thousands of pictures. Some are with cat, some are without cat. Now after collecting the data, I need to train my data. I need to train my data set. Clear? So what will happen, we will tell the robot that see, this is cat, this is not cat, this is cat, this is not cat. Clear? So we also tell like which photos have cats and which do not have. Clear? Now robots will look at the pictures and they will start learning that how to identify a cat. Clear? So number one is collecting the data, number two is the training, number three is validation. Number three is validation. Now what this validation means, now we show that just now we saw that the robots have the new set of pictures, okay, which he do not have before. Clear? To check if it can correctly identify the one with the cat or not. If it make mistakes, we will help him to correct them. Now this will refine the skills, means till now you have trained him, till now you have trained the robot that to identify that this is cat or this is not cat. Now we will take the test. Now we will do the validation, means we will show a picture to the robot and we will see that whether robot is able to identify it or not. Even if it will be able to identify it, well and good. If it not be able to identify it, we will correct it so that robot can refine its skills. Clear? Fourth point is testing. Fourth point is testing. Now before launching our model, before launching our artificial intelligence model, or before putting our robot in front of the public, we will do what we will do, we will take the test. We will come up with a new set of pictures to see that how well my robot is able to identify the cat. What is the accuracy rate? What is the accuracy rate? Clear? Now but there are some issues when your data is unstructured. Unstructured means your data is in the form of image. What if some images are blurry and there are possibility that cats are of different sizes, cats are of different colors, so sometimes it get messy and unorganized. So that time it is very difficult for the robot to learn from this because it is not neat and properly ordered. We call this as an unstructured data. So the better the data you are going to provide to your robot, the better he is going to learn. Clear? So if I'll tell you that what is the role of artificial intelligence nowadays, So basically this is an advanced technique where you are making the robot a senseful person, okay, who can take the decision. Apart from that, there is something called neural network, which is a very fancy artificial intelligence tool that actually mimics how our brain works. See, the neural network, our brain has neurons, okay, means the information, suppose I touch a very hot glass and I leave it immediately. Why? So because this nerve cells immediately transmits the information from my fingers to my brain that it's hot and leave it, otherwise you will burn out yourself. Clear? So this neural networks is actually the how our brain works. Similarly, we have designed these artificial intelligence that can learn even from the messy data and still figure out that where the cats are. So it's a very advanced technique of the artificial intelligence. This neural network even can work with the messy data. Earlier what we have seen that robots, they find it very difficult if your photos are blurry, if your data set is unorganized, okay, some photos are messy, different colors, different size, so they face difficulty. But in case of artificial intelligence, they are very well versed with that they can learn even from the messy data and still they can figure out that where the cats actually are. Clear? Now there is very important point. Write down, in case of machine learning, we do not have any assumptions. We do not have any assumption about their probability, distribution, and maybe given output of target data. You just give the data, but there is no assumptions regarding the distribution of the data. Clear? Why I have said this? Because you remember, in case of Monte Carlo simulation, we need to tell that the data belongs to a particular distribution, but in case of machine learning, we do not have to do the same. See, if you'll start connecting the topics now, it will become much easier for you to remember the concept and to apply it in the real life examples, as well as in the exam when you figure out, okay, there is a point which includes the concept from both the chapters. So if you have studied in that manner, you will be able to easily pick up the right answer. Okay, so the target of this particular lecture is to cover up the concept of artificial intelligence, neural networks and machine learning, and the process of training your robots. Clear? And we'll carry forward in the next lecture. Thank you.